As you can see, this was pretty sealed, sort of speaking. Now, very important to notice that we also got some accessories as well, so it's not just the dash camera itself, so we're gonna take it one at a time. The accessories are here in a small pouch, box, whatever, and I will open that separately. And obviously some extra stuff, and this is the action camera. Now the action camera itself is from Wolfgang, yeah, and it's a GA, you'll see on the back it's a GA100. Now this camera is supposed to have, if I'm not mistaken, 170 degrees, which means it's gonna have a very ultra wide image, and also it has a 4K at the 30 FPS, yeah, frames per second, Ultra HD capture, which should be, you know, more than enough, sort of speaking. With the case itself, you are going to have a 40 meters waterproof, but you know, who's actually going to drive that? You do have an external mic that you're going to connect it. We are going to kind of use it. Hopefully it does have some battery as well. You can also control it and view what you're actually recording via Wi-Fi, which is going to become very handy if, you know, you're doing POVs and stuff like that, which we're going to do on the channel, by the way. Right, so as I was saying, model is GA100. You can see that the company name, it's a Chinese name, it's Shenzhen, which is, you know, the mother of technology pretty much. And let's see what we have inside the box. Careful opening from here. You know what, I kind of like the box, it's rigid. Let's open it from here. Open it like this, then you do this. It has what I will say so far like a premium-ish look. Action camera quick start guide, make sure you read it. Again, don't do what we're doing on the channel. Okay, you do have, well, as far as I can see, a couple of options on mounting them, the camera. Let's see what else we have. We have the action camera user manual, which has a lot of information. So go ahead and start reading it, especially if it's like the first time when you're using something like this. So let's put the guides aside. We don't really need them that much. And then what we have here, I assume, are the batteries. At least that's my assumption. It does look like that, most probably. Wolfgang rechargeable Lion battery, and it's 1000 milliamperes. Quite of a big battery, to be honest with you, 1000 milliamperes. But look at how small the battery is. I mean, remember those days when you had the big ass camera and then the battery was like this big, like almost as a brick. Obviously, if you want to use it the first time, you'll have to take this out. I think that's how you take it out. We'll see. Okay, nicely packed. Two of them is good, you know, if you're traveling and all that, it's good to have two batteries. I'm not sure how much they will be able to record in one go, but hey, we will see. Okay, let's put them aside. Bueno. Now, I'll leave the camera last for obvious reasons, because that's what we're going to use, and we'll have a look at the accessories. What I did not know is that the camera comes with multiple accessories, so I did not really knew that, unfortunately, so I got even more accessories, but hey, it is what it is. Maybe I'm just gonna return that. So in the accessories box, we have a lot of stuff. So we have this stuff. This is the remote, so you can control it remotely, take photos, start, stop the recording, which, to be honest, I find it very interesting myself. Again, very useful if you're going to have it somewhere, I don't know, mounted, you know, on a pole or something like that, on a tripod. This will be used to lock stuff in. This is the external microphone, which we're going to test. I'll leave this near the camera. This is the USB, and I suppose this is for charging. It will only make sense for this to be for charging. I'll leave this aside as well. And then we have all of this stuff. This is a case. What is the case for? I don't even know what this is for. I reckon this might be just a spare piece. Most probably it's just a spare piece. Yeah, in case anything happens. So interesting. Lots of accessories, as I was saying. You know what? Let's do this. How do they even fit that many stuff? So we have a strap, I think. Let me put the batteries on one side. Okay. I'm assuming this is for a bicycle, something like that. I'm just making an assumption right here, and then you can put it on your yeah, on your bike, on your motorbike or something like that. Whatever you fix it, which is like something like this, a road or something. I'm not sure what this is for. Obviously you fit it here. Oh, I think this will be for a tripod, a general tripod. I think you fit it somehow like this, or like this. I think it's for a tripod, it will make sense. This, I have no idea what these are. Man, you know what, so many accessories. I'm just assuming this will be for a dash cam, if you want to have it as a dash cam or something like that. I have no idea what this is again. So many stuff. Why do you need so many stuff, I wonder? Quite interesting. Let's see, do we have anything for, you know, if I want to use it for my head as an example, as a POV. Is this what it is? Let me see. It's definitely not. Maybe something like this to have it on your hand. I'm just making assumptions, guys, here. I have no idea. I mean, there is a reason we got some other accessories as well, because I want to use it as a POVs. But hey, it's good to know that we have all of these accessories, which could be used for, you know, various reasons, I suppose. And it's nice to have. I'll just fit all of them. Chances are they might not fit back in the box because, well, it makes sense only, right? But we'll see. Maybe. What I will leave outside will be this remote. The rest I'll just put back. Oh, go figure, it doesn't fit anymore. Huh? Maybe. I think it's worth it. Just gonna throw this away. Lots of accessories. For the money, I would say it's definitely worth it. Now, USB-C cable. I bet this is for charging. We'll leave it on the table. And this will be the microphone, which is like a lavalier microphone, and or a lap mic, or whatever it's called. And you just put it like this. Let's see. I'm not even sure how to mount it. I think like this or like this. That should be it. And then you connect it to the camera. And that should be it. Now, let's open. Let's see how we open the camera actually, first things first. How do we even open it? Okay, so it has this mechanism. Okay, right, I get it now. So this mechanism is holding the case in place and makes it whatever, like water resistant. So you have a hinge here, yeah, where you go over and then you push, and that's that, and it stays like this. And if you want to open it, you just slide this a little bit and then you push it. It will go outside, boom. Then I think you have to open it from here. Nice. And this is where the camera is. Now this is a very little gadget, and to be honest with you, it's not heavy at all. There is one thing I don't like, is the fact that this does not stay in place. It does have a card already inside, 32 gigabytes if I'm not mistaken. That's how you open it, you just push on it a little bit. So yeah, and then the USB, I think that's how you charge it, yeah? just push the USB inside, very nice, and then obviously plug it to a charger or something like that. I'm not sure what the HD out is doing, so imagine if I could be using this as, that would be crazy if I could use this as a webcam as well. I actually need the new webcam, so that would be interesting, but we will see. Let's take it one at a time. Yeah, so and the microphone, it goes here, you see, it literally goes here, boom, that's that. It's not the best, well, it's not the best because it stays a bit funky, but hey, you know what, it is what it is. One thing I will say is I'm not sure how water resistant is. That's my only concern, literally. That's my only concern. I'm not sure how water resistant is, but hey, we will see. So let's turn it on. I think this should be the button. It does say mode. Okay. Well, I think first things first, we need to remove this anyway. How do you insert the battery? Where? Oh, here. You slide it. Okay. I was trying to power on the device without a battery. That's very smart. Wow. Okay. So you insert the battery here. Then you make sure this is like flush. You put it back. And then you push it. Okay, let's try again. I'm gonna hold this button. Let's see if it works. And it works. Wolfgang. And we have the language. We have an OK button. How do we up and down? Maybe English. Okay. Date and time. What's the date today? Well, we'll have to set up the date, I suppose. How do you go up and down then? Maybe from the app? Oh, up and down. Oh, you have these two buttons here, up and down. Nice. So today is 2024. Okay. And month is the 10th. 10th. And the day, I think it's 18. 18? Let's check. 19 actually. So it will be 19. And we go up. Boom, boom, boom. 19. Okay. And the time is, what will be the time? 10:45. So it'll be 10, or I hope that's the hour. 10, boom, 45. Okay. Right, so okay, where is okay, okay. Date, format, year, month, date, that's fine. Format card, yes. Format TF card completed. And then we can actually record. And I guess we are going to try and do some recordings as well with this little toy. Let's see, how do we record? That's how. So you click on OK and it's starting to record, which is quite interesting. And then you stop. And then we should be able to use the battery as well, maybe. Not sure if there is. Let's see. It's not working. That's very interesting. So we have the recording, we have the TF and all that. There is one thing I want to check, but that will be in another video, and we're going to have like a dedicated video. It turned off. I think the battery is dead. Oh no, it has like a mode where it goes off. It makes sense. Anyway, we are going to have a dedicated video just for the app itself, and that will be done from like a print screen view and then with another phone, whatever, but that's going to be in another video. and we'll see how this little boy actually works. But so far it looks good. Do we have like a menu? How can we access the menu? Is there a menu though? Okay, so that's how you access the menu. Video resolution. You can change the video resolution as well. So you have 4K at 30 FPS, 2.7K at 30 FPS, 1080 at 60, which will be interesting to be honest. And you also have slow-mo 120. But as you can see, it's a bit, well, it's a bit low. We only have 720p. Okay, I'm not sure what EIS is for, but we will see. You also have a looping video, so you could use this as a dashcam if you want to do so. You also have a time-lapse video, slow motion, audio recording if it's on or not, which is great, it should be on. That's quite interesting. Now what I will do, I'll just record something with and without the mic, and we'll see how it looks like. Have volume, beep, exposure, language, car mode, power off, press the shutter button to exit. Shutter button. Oh, okay. This is the shutter button. Nice. 4K. So we are filming in 4K. So this is in 4K. We are filming at the moment, and it's with its own microphone. And what we are going to do next, I am going to connect this external mic and see how it works, if it makes any difference and all that. Obviously inside the house there is no noise, but we will go outside in the wind as well. Right, so let's go ahead and connect it. As you can see, I've connected, and this is how it sounds on the external mic. Now I'm not sure if this little light shows the fact that it's actually, I'm not sure, maybe shows that the fact that it's actually recording. Chances are that we might be able to also connect an external mic, like a DJI mic or a newer mic or something like that. So, you know, if you guys want to find out if that's possible and how that works, we will be getting a newer mic as well, just for the sake of it. And let's turn off the video and see. Oh, by the way, let's see. You know what is a pity? You can't really, right? You can't really see what you should be seeing. You know, you don't have at least a small something here so you can see yourself while recording, so you don't know what you're recording. But at the same time, if you're going to connect the phone, which we're going to show in a separate video, then you will be able to see on your phone technically what you see with the camera, right? So hey, stay tuned and let's turn it off and let's go ahead and edit the video and clean the table, because it's a bit of a mess here.